Disclaimer: this content is for educational awareness only, not a promotion.
Hey, truth seekers! Welcome back to D-Reviews, where we separate fact from fiction with a sprinkle of humor. Today we're diving into the moon landing hoax conspiracy. Some folks still think Neil Armstrong never took that famous step in 1969. Let's see why that's just not true. July 20th, 1969. Armstrong steps onto the moon and history is made. But conspiracy theorists love to nitpick every detail. First up, the American flag. They say it's waving, which is impossible because there's no atmosphere on the moon. The truth? NASA designed it with a horizontal bar to keep it extended. No wind required. Next, the gravity. Some claim Armstrong and Aldrin hopped around suspiciously, but the moon's gravity is only 1/6 of Earth's, explaining those slow motion hops perfectly. And those footprints? The lunar dust is super fine, holding shape like a stamp in clay. The prints match their boots exactly, not some mysterious set design. Who filmed this? Good question. The lunar module had a mounted camera capturing Armstrong's steps, and Aldrin had handheld cameras. No secret film crew, just clever engineering. Then there's the no stars in photos argument. Cameras were set to capture the bright lunar surface, not the dim stars. Simple photography, not a cover-up. Oh, and that viral Buzz Aldrin clip claiming he admitted the moon landing was fake. Classic context manipulation. He was discussing mission challenges, not confessing. Finally, some videos circulating online have been edited to make it look like someone in a green screen suit is planting the flag. These are deliberate manipulations. So, gravity, footprints, cameras, flags, stars, Aldrin, and misleading edits. All explained by science and clever filmmaking technology. The moon landing wasn't faked. It's one of humanity's greatest achievements, and all the evidence supports it. After all, we tend to trust what authorities say. If we don't believe them, who else can we rely on? How can human life progress if we doubt every single thing, questioning reality solely based on internet hype? Thanks for tuning into D-Reviews. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more myth-busting content.